Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work permits in Thailand. I got to thinking about work permits and how many foreigners have work permits in Thailand after I was reading a recent article in the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Future Insurance Requirements for Foreigners Entering Thailand Still Muddled. And I'd urge those who are watching this video go check out that article because it really, I'm just quoting a tiny little excerpt that got me thinking in a tangent, and there's a lot more in that that really doesn't pertain to this video. But quoting directly, foreigners, of course, are not so covered, talking about insurance coverage, unless in possession of a work permit authorized by the Ministry of Labor. That's a tiny number. It got me thinking, is it really that tiny a number of foreign nationals, of expats in Thailand who have work permits? It might be. You know, I don't have all the stats, and I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm probably going to go out and try to find the actual stats on total number of foreign nationals in Thailand at any given time, or kind of a rounded off number, because there are folks in Thailand on visa exemption stamps, tourist visas, that they are foreign nationals, but they're not really living here. And then non-immigrants, people on O visas, married or retired, OA retirement visas, even education visas, business visas, generally those folks are going to have a work permit, although not all the time. Sometimes you'll see somebody only temporarily in Thailand on a business visa and then they leave again. But, you know, it kind of got me to thinking, I was reading that, and I thought, are there really a small number of work permit holders? Is the number really that small? I guess to me it doesn't seem like it because we deal with so many people who do maintain their work permit. But I guess you could say there are a number of folks out there that don't have them. I mean, if you're going to work in Thailand, understand you have to have work authorization if you're a foreign national. That's clear. As we've discussed in other videos, the way they define work in Thailand is basically anything. So, you know, under your circumstances, you'll probably be able to know if you need a work permit. But I just got me to thinking, is it really a tiny number of folks in Thailand that have a work permit?